Pourquoi? Why you don't say that before?
Huh?
Here.
Sarap siya.
Kain po tayo. Here I eat salad, chicken salad, Caesar salad, we call it Caesar salad. Yummy. Merci. Tatan.
Hello?
Yung chicken nasa ilalim. Wow. I will cut it. Chicken salad. I eat salad most of the time para meron namang counting diet. Kasi sa bahay ka nakain ng kanin. So, pag sa labas, dapat salad talaga. Kakatulong din bawasan ang mga fatty. Ayan, sarap guys. Masarap. Wow, yung favorite salad ko, malutong. Mas gusto ko tong salad na to, Dad. Iceberg salad, malutong. Malutong, kain po kayo. Kain po tayo. Si Sir, kinain niya yung parang yung legs ng pata. How you call it, that meat?
Huh?
How you call it? Anyo? I thought it's a beef.
Yeah.
Oh, dami. May chicken yan. May cheese. Na parmesan, tapos may boiled eggs. Ang daming salad. You want salad, Dad? And vegetable. What is your vegetable? Oh, it's like a vegetable of sapsuy. Tatay, if you want salad like this, mas maganda iring salad dari kaysa doon sa kabilang salad. Pero talaga yung favorite kong dahon ng salad. Kasi doon sa St. Martin restaurant, yung parang chicken, raming chicken, yung breast chicken ng halo. Talagang hindi siya healthy food talaga. Healthy food guys, salad chicken.